Your friend has sent you an email message or a Word document, and in it there's an item there that says you can download a file, and you think you need a mouse to download? No, you don't. Anything you can do with the keyboard, you can do with the mouse, and anything you can do with the mouse, you can do with the keyboard. Use your regular keyboarding skills like Control right arrow to move a word at a time and Control Shift right arrow to select the URL of the file you need to download. Control C puts a copy in the clipboard. Into your browser you go. Most browsers will let you use the F6 function key to go to the URL bar, but if that doesn't work, you can always use the Tab key, because the Tab key always takes you on a guided tour. Once you're in the URL, Control V to paste in the name that you just copied from the email message or Word document, and tap your Enter key. This will bring up a little Save As dialog box, and you'll notice two things. Number one, it says Save File, and that's been highlighted, and number two, the OK button is the default button. If in doubt, press Enter. You tap the Enter key and you're asked immediately to save the file. I'm going to save it with the name it's given, but I might choose to use the Tab key and prowl around the dialog box and choose a different drive or a different path, just using the keyboard. You'll notice, even though my mouse pointer is gravitated to the Save button, I'm not using the mouse, that the Save button is highlighted. I'm just going to tap the Enter key, and when I do that, what do you know? The file's going to get saved. And that's how you save a file without using the mouse. Thanks for watching.